narito yung mga seasons sa atong life no nga dili na to masabtan. And no matter how we find answers to that question, still we end up wondering why are these things happening? Bakit parang ang gulo-gulo ng buhay ko? Bakit parang ang gulo-gulo ng environment? Ang gulo ng lahat. Like, you cannot imagine how these things are going on, even in your personal life. Not just around the Philippines, not just around the nation, but also in ourselves. Meron tayong mga bagay na we keep on searching, we keep on finding, and we keep on looking, or we keep on longing for something. But the reality is, we don't need to find all the answers right away. Because it takes time, but as long as you will never stop, for as long as you live, for as long as you keep on moving, sooner or later, you will still find the answer. Why kailangan mo pagdaanan yung mga bagay na yun? Why you need to go through all those difficult situations in your life? And balang araw, you will say to yourself, kaya pala nangyari yun. This is the reason why God put me here, because there's a deeper reason to it.